It's time for the weekly trend talk. That's as much as the jingle as you're gonna get out of me. So big trend that I'm noticing right now are definitely these plant-based meat alternatives that are coming up. I've got a daughter who's now a pescatarian, and she's definitely doing it for the climate. And we just had our global climate strike here. It's definitely something that I'm thinking about. We polled, very informal poll on Instagram, and over 100 of the community members said that they weighed in. 67% said that they would try plant-based meats. So I'm here for you. In the past week, we tried cooking with Beyond Meats in a Blue Apron enchilada recipe. It was awesome. And then we sent a couple of our writers to taste the Awesome Burger, and they loved it. So it's definitely a trend. We're on it. I'm reading about it in the New Yorker, and let me know what else you need me to try for you, and I'll definitely do it. What else is happening? We're talking about transition fashion. We have a fun outfit idea working with some Bauble Bar accessories that are at Target, and everything is super affordable. Think $10, $20, it's all good. We made a recent trip to look at the changing colors in the Emerson Resort and Spa in the Catskills. So one great thing about living on the East Coast is that we get these great weather changes, and we get gorgeous, gorgeous falls. So it's in upstate New York, Vermont, Connecticut, Massachusetts, but the Catskills was just starting to turn, and this resort was fantastic. It almost makes the humidity of New York City worthwhile, almost, when you get to see the fall color that's happening. Also got to see the new Broadway musical, Percy Jackson. I took my daughter and a friend of hers, and we loved it. I can't say enough about this production. It's only in a limited run through January 5th, so you need to hurry if you want to see it. Super minimal set design and costumes, but wow, was the cast fantastic. Fantastic music. It's the type of music that I started playing on Spotify after the show. It was that good. So if you're in New York City, I highly recommend the Percy Jackson. I think it's called The Lightning Thief. So those are the trends we're talking about. September is basically over. We'll be on to October. Tell me what you want me to check out, what you need from us. We are so grateful for the Momtrends community. Oh, and one last thing. I dragged my husband to see Downton Abbey last night at the movies. He's a very good husband. And if you like Downton Abbey, it is everything you could hope for in the Downton Abbey movie. Maggie Smith got all of her zippy one-liners. Mary wore fabulous dresses. It was fantastic. So if you like Downton Abbey, you're gonna like the movie. That's it, everybody. Thank you, and have an awesome start to your October.